Hello everyone, this is Shoab and today in this video I'm going to tell you some correct pronunciation for some words. So let's begin with the first one as I have noted on board. The first one is A-B-O-U-T and people pronounce as about, which is absolutely incorrect because जब भी आप इसको सुनोगे या आप इसको बोलना चाहोगे तो you have to say it about, means you have to reduce a sounds to a sound and you have to stress on ba. Okay, so you have to say about. The second one is because. People say it like or because sometimes, but the correct pronunciation of because is because or is a because. So two different ways you can pronounce it. So it is quite amazing that you are getting this pronunciation easily. The next one is P-E-O-P-L-E. People say it people, but the correct pronunciation for this is people. So you have to say it people, not people. The next one is W-O-M-A-N. So people, many people say woman, okay, but it is pronounced as woman. So you have to say woman. The next one is the plural form of it, W-O-M-E-N. People say it women. So they literally just give a stress here and they say women, okay, but what the exact pronunciation is, you have to go with E and E and it becomes women. So you have to say women, not women, okay. So the next one is B-U-R-Y. इसका मतलब होता है किसी चीज को मिट्टी में गाड़ देना, especially when you talk about some kind of death or funeral, so people bury there, okay. So you have to say bury. It is never bury. Somehow people say it bury or some kind of pronunciation it has got, but the actual pronunciation for this is bury. So remember, bury. The next one is, as you have been just having the course of computer and sometimes people say information as data, so it is not pronounced in that way. It is either pronounced data or you have to अगर इसका आप pronunciation करना चाहते हैं तो you can say data. So you have again two pronunciation for the same word, like data you have to say data, so stress is on day and day, okay. So you have to say data or data. The next one is you have breakfast. People जैसा कि बोलते हैं, but it is all the way breakfast. और लोग इसको रोज यूज करते हैं, but they pronounce in wrong way, which is always pronounced as breakfast, or you can say breakfast. So sometimes you can reduce the sound of T and you have to stress here break and fast, okay. So you have to say breakfast. The next I can move on is like you have your subject, okay. So or you might have heard कि लोग बोलते हैं इसको बायोलॉजी, जैसा कि sometimes बहुत सारे लोगों को मैंने सुना है इस तरीके से बोलते हैं, they say it biology, okay. But how you have to say, just try to just part this word into part, okay, or you can simply part. So it is the ba, the B and I one part and all the letters, all the sounds will be the second part. So simply you have to say biology. So you have two different and you have to just आपको इसको जोड़ देना. It's a biology, Okay, so simply you have to say biology. So it is how this is pronounced. Okay, the next one is the same pattern. Okay, so people say it psychology. Okay, so you don't have to say psychology, because as I have just shown you, you have to say psychology. So you have to say, just you can repeat, it's a psychology. So it is as simple as biology. Okay, the next one is, ये ऐसा होता है क्या, लोग जो भी वर्ड, अगर कोई भी ओ का साउंड देखते हैं तो दे से ओ साउंड, दे गो ऑन सेइंग लाइक ओ. Okay, but sometimes or many of the times the different word have different pronunciations. Okay, so you have to just think how we can pronounce the congratulation. People say it congratulation. Okay, so or I would like to tell you कि आप इसको इस तरीके से बोलोगे. So just divide it. Okay, congratulation. Okay, it is as simple, you can just learn. You can repeat after me. It's a congratulation. Okay, congratulation, not congratulation. Okay, the next one is, people say, और आप लोग घर में भी इस्तेमाल करते होगे, बोलते हैं onion, but it is not the correct pronunciation for this word. It is all the time onion. It's a onion. Okay, so you have to say it onion, not onion. Okay, the next, I'm just leaving for the timing of for these two. Okay, and it is the last, means the second month of a year, that is people say it February. Okay, or you write it in Hindi February, but whenever the word comes in English, it is, you have to say February. It's a February. Okay, not February. Okay, so you have to say it February. And now comes to the main one, that is, people say pronounce. It is correct. Okay, and I also tell you to just say it pronounce. People say it pronounce, which is incorrect. आपको बोलना है pro. It's a pronounce. Okay, but at the same time, when ये बोला जाता है, when people say pronounce, अगर आप उसको बोल दोगे pronunciation बोलने के लिए, they say like this, pronunciation, which is also incorrect, because you can see the spelling of pronunciation where N-O-U-N is not, instead N-U-N is there, so it becomes none. There is no chance of getting noun sound. Okay, so you have to say pronunciation, not pronunciation or pronunciation. So you can get it as pronunciation. So this is how, if you get anything from that video, just let me know, or if you have any words that you find difficulty modeling, so you can just comment and let me know. I will just try to let you know how you can get rid of pronunciation problems. Thank you guys for watching my video. Have a great day.